if you wanna make a spectator think that magic is real, then you're at the right video, because in this video I'm gonna show you guys a really amazing magic trick that you can do. It's impromptu, no setup at all, and will definitely fool the spectator. Let's get started. So guys, here's how this effect looks like. So I've got a deck of cards over here and the deck is shuffled up, as you can see, and I'm gonna give the deck just a quick shuffle like that. Alright, so now I'm gonna have you choose any card you want. So it's a free choice, and let's say you picked this card right over here. Have a look at your selection right now. Alright, so I hope that you have seen your selection, because here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take your selection and get that lost somewhere in the center. So what I want to do here is just say stop at any point. Over here? Sure. So I just take the card and get that lost in the center of the deck. So now once the card is lost, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to snap my fingers and the card is going to turn invisible. So in 3, 2, 1. And now your card's invisible. So I'm gonna actually read invisible cards, and here's how I do it. So with my special vision, I'm going to read your invisible card. Right over here, yes, right above the 9 of diamonds, the Queen of clubs, right? So actually you can't see it, but it's still here. So what I'm going to do here is I just take the queen and set it off to the side right over there. So now at this point I want to have you name any number between, let's say, 10 and 15. Just name any number you want. So let's say the spectator names the number 7. So this was a free choice and they could have named any number they have wanted. And I'm going to count out 7 cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And as you can see that the 7th card is not their card, because their card is over here. So I just take the card and place it right over here, and take all these 6 cards and place it on top, and I just snap my fingers to make it visible once again. And now if I count out 7 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7th card should be yours, Queen of clubs. So guys, that was the trick, and I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. And if you want to learn how to do this trick, then please comment down below, and I will post a tutorial really soon. And I will see you guys on my next video. Goodbye.